Ethereum is one of the biggest cryptocurrencies and comes second only to Bitcoin. Founded by the crypto genius Vitalik Buterin in 2015, this cryptocurrency surely made some big achievements. Even if the whole crypto market is on a bear market now along with Ethereum, the scene is soon to be changed, according to an expert. Raoul Pal, CEO of Global Macro Investor, has a lot of faith in ETH and its future. He also thinks that the entire landscape is in a healthy position. Well, this man has decades worth of experience in finance and investing to back up his analysis. ETH, the native token of the Ethereum network, has shown great performance in the year 2021 with almost 500% gain. Pal, a huge crypto bull who has almost 1 million followers on Twitter, is even more enthusiastic about Ether's prospects. This former Goldman Sachs fund manager has analyzed the reason for the current price action in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies, and the possible scenario for 2022. Pal presented data on trading volumes for BTC and ETH, claiming they have been stagnant since the run-up in 2020. On top of that, the number of addresses on Ethereum has been on the rise during 2021 and recently reached over 70 million. Active addresses, on the other hand, tell a different story. Pal said, because people rotated into different opportunities as the price action turned sideways. The rise in inflation in the United States, Pal said, and the stagnation of wages could be pricing out new users from entering the space. Thus, why hedge funds and institutions will continue to play a big role next year, as they will have enough firepower to drive a new rally. Pal also addressed the potential future market capitalization of Bitcoin and Ethereum. He sees more upside potential in Ethereum, predicting that it could flip Bitcoin for market cap, after all, provided it becomes the prime decentralized application ecosystem globally. Pal said that while Bitcoin is a pristine collateral security and store of value, which also makes it the most valuable network, Ethereum has more applications. Pal also discussed his hunch, which he got by talking with people around the crypto space, that there is a massive amount of intellectual capital working in that particular space because it's the flexibility of how Ethereum is based, and there's a load of flaws about everything. And seeing the amount of intellectual capital that's going into the Ethereum space led him to the thought that there's a chance that something really big comes out of this. I think there's a chance that Ethereum can have a larger market cap than Bitcoin, said Pal. But how is Ethereum going to climb that mountain? Pal says that even though the top crypto asset by market cap beats ETH in total trading volume and number of active wallets, Ethereum has found a way to outperform Bitcoin over the last few years. If you think of Bitcoin, Bitcoin exchanges more value each week than Ethereum does. Ethereum has a lot of transactions. Transactions are a red herring. Its total value and number of active wallets and Bitcoin beat both. However, if you look at Ethereum, the change in values, the rate of change in those two values in Ethereum are higher, which is why Ethereum's been outperforming Bitcoin over the last couple of years, and I found it really useful. It shows what the price is, and the price is pretty good. The finance advisor shared his proper analysis. When asked if he remains more bullish on Ethereum than Bitcoin, Pal says that he still is, and other altcoins should also eventually outperform the king crypto as well. If you believe the future is in technology, in blockchain technology, then this whole digital asset space should outperform the safe haven. That's just how things work. It always works that way, and therefore there's a higher beta. Now, many can ask why Ethereum is so popular and what actually it does to be that popular. One of Ethereum's most significant selling points is decentralization. Ethereum is highly decentralized, with millions of nodes securing the network, which means your data is completely secured. And what does it do? Think of Ethereum as a smartphone. Developers can build apps on smartphones, similar to how they can build apps on Ethereum. While mobile phone apps have more universal applicability these days, Ethereum apps are more geared towards crypto users. This is why it's becoming more and more popular as more and more people are getting into the crypto space. So, do you agree with Raoul? Let us know your thoughts. What new shocking thing Biden announced about crypto? Tap on the tab on your screen to know.